Elvie Pump can be connected to the Elvie Pump app on your phone to make pumping more convenient and discreet. Open the Elvie Pump app and switch Bluetooth on in your phone settings. Turn Elvie Pump on and tap Continue. Now, press and hold play pause until the side lights start flashing on the pump. If you have a double pump, just tap Connect another pump to connect in exactly the same way as you did for the first. In future sessions, turn on Elvie Pump, open the app, and Elvie Pump will connect. If it doesn't, just tap the Bluetooth icon in the app. For further instructions, please check out the help section on our app, elvie.com, or contact our customer care.